down, please. Come on. Come on. Can you see his smiles? Hello. Go back here so you can see him better. Come on. Smile for mommy. Ignore the camera back there. Smile. You love to talk, huh? Hi.
Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Say cheese.
I want you to smile some more like you were just a minute ago. I'm going to sit up, huh? See, I just want to sit up. Did you see that? I just want to sit up and look around. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! Hi. Oh, did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you know what kisses? You love
You give Bubby kisses?
Oh, you're so nice. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. She just loves to do that. She loves to put it in and then right when he has a good hold of it, she pulls it right back out again. Huh. See, I don't need that. I don't need that. How do you like No, he doesn't need his pacifier. Okay, you can stop videotaping now.